it's Miriam with lots of toys. Are you part of our channel? If not, click the subscribe button to become part of our channel and see fun videos posted daily. Here's a fun new Switch and Go Dino by VTech. It's the Rip and Roar in Dino and vehicle modes. Races over 20 feet. This is the Triceratops Deluxe launcher.
Mouth is like a beak, perfect for chomping through plants.
It does have lights and sounds to it, and it looks super fun. Not only is it a launcher, it includes a dino. It's a Triceratops dino that's included, and the dino actually transforms. He transforms from race car to dino mode. If you're charging through the mountain, the volcano might explode. We'll have to see that. That's gonna be fun. We've opened other fun VTech dinos, Switch and Go dinos. Be sure to click the eye above or the informational card above, as well as the end card at the end of the clip to see more fun videos on this. It does require some assembly. We have our volcano here. Watch out! It's going to erupt. Awesome! It worked! You see underneath here, there's this trigger. So when it goes under, it gets released. We're setting it up again. Hurry. See, look. Oh my gosh. This thing is cool. So this is your launcher here. Watch out, the dinosaur might get you. Yeah, it's a chomping one. Here's the Triceratops race car. It's really awesome, it transforms. This is the car mode, and then it transforms into its dinosaur mode. That's really easy to do.
This is Dart, the Triceratops. Let's stomp. I'm a quadruped. Have a look at my forelegs. Come on, stomp with me.
Its mouth also opens. That's cool. This is Dot the Triceratops, and he does convert into his car mode.
Come on, let's roll.
You place him right inside. And release. There's a release button right there. What is he doing there? he just activate the volcano? He does roll on wheels. That's in both forms. You can roll him on wheels. And then to transform him back is simple.
Come on, let's roll.
Lastly, put up his tail. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed already. And also click the like button if you enjoyed this video.